Hello guys, it's me Danea, SimplyDanea. I don't know, recording this, a step to getting over my fear of speaking in front of a camera. Even though I love cameras because I do photography. Anyways, that's beside the point. I'm gonna record me cleaning my room, I guess I could say. But I don't really know what I'm gonna be posting on this channel, but it's just gonna be me discovering me. So if you like that, please feel free to subscribe and comment below what you want me to post. As you can tell, I'm new to this. So I will be shooting me cleaning up my room. It's a mess, so don't judge, okay? Okay. Oh yeah, I look crazy. Don't mind me. I'm growing my hair out. I wear wigs, okay? Don't judge again. Okay, thank you. all I have to, my clothes were just washed, so I have to tuck them all away.
Alright.
Keep in mind, it's like,
put together a care package of stuff from New York. Some New York Times.
You're brilliant.
So it's 1 a.m.
It's funny, not so long ago.
11
I was coming
a.m.
to Marshall and Lily for advice on how to impress you.
I gotta wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is funny.
This is actually cute. Whoever gave me this, 8 back. Not me trying to sound like everyone else. I don't say stuff like that. It didn't 8. I like it. That's it. Okay. So, the 2 and 27 top. I'm only 7. Bro, I was talking. Don't go buy a fan. Oh gosh. For now, I'm gonna put them in the closet where they can't go near the fan. Okay, so cute. a.m. I need to go to bed, and so do you. So I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe, and like the video, and let me know what you want to see next. See ya. That is so cringe. I'm never doing that again. I don't know what to do. And next time you're gonna see me with a wig. I just didn't feel like putting it on, okay? Remember, don't judge. Bye. Bye.